Hello, I'm Michael Piacenza with Advantage Pest Control in St. Petersburg, Florida. The other day I was asked how to get rid of bed bugs with heat. Well, actually, heat is a pretty good tool to use against bed bugs. It's nice and safe and natural. Now, when I say safe, I'm not talking about using one of these things. Okay? This is not a safe tool to use for bed bugs. If you try to use a hair dryer, you can't really control the amount of heat, right? You end up burning your mattress or melting a cover. That's not what we're talking about. Okay? The heat that we want to use is going to be a combination of different things. Steam is actually a very good tool. You can buy a steam cleaner, a little handheld one or a little floor model, someplace like Walmart, right? And you want to go along and you want to steam clean the entire mattress, all the seams, very, very thoroughly. First thing you want to do is vacuum it though, and then go through with your steam cleaner. So that works quite well. Some of the fabric products like your sheets and whatnot, you want to wash in hot water and then dry as hot as the label will allow. Some products that you can't wash but you can still run through the dryer, you want to use the dryer just to create the heat. You want a hot cycle, you want to run it for at least 20-30 minutes. Okay? That's going to kill off the bed bug. If you get a bed bug up to about 140 degrees for 10 minutes, it's toast. Okay? Another way of utilizing heat here in sunny St. Petersburg is to take a black garbage bag, a big, those like kind that you use on a construction site are perfect. And you can take cushions from your couch, pillows, blankets, and things like that and put them inside, seal it up fairly tight, and put it out in the driveway in the hot sun. And just leave it there all day long. Now what you don't want to do is you don't want to stuff those bags full to the hilt, because they're going to act like an insulator. It'll get really hot on the outside, but the inside is not going to get that hot. So you want to just spread them out fairly flat and let them just get toasty hot. That'll really help. So I hope this helps you. I'm Michael Piacenza with Advantage Pest Control, coming to you from sunny St. Petersburg.